How we use our money has a massive impact on the planet, both what we buy and where our money is kept.
And the good news is, loads of banks are doing amazing things to manage your money sustainably, right?
Greenhouse gas emissions keep growing.
Extreme weather.
Yeah, maybe not.
We're Tread.
And we're building a green neobank for a new type of customer.
We're built on sustainable values and will help you be sustainable too.
To do this, we've launched our game-changing green debit card that plants trees, and our app that lets you track, reduce, and offset your carbon footprint. Sorry guys, can we have a minute?
Okay, got that.
Hello?
Hi mate, we've just had another 20 quid come through, so do you mind just popping a few more trees down?
Yeah, no problem.
Awesome, thanks so much, hopefully it won't take too long.
And hello?
You just tap to pay with your Tread card like you normally would, and every time a bit of money goes to tree planting projects at no extra cost to you. Then in the app, we'll instantly calculate your carbon emissions based on your spending. You can see tips and sustainable swaps to help reduce your impact and automatically offset your monthly carbon footprint.
We've seen amazing progress since then. Since our raise a year ago, we've grown to a team of 15, built a debit card programme from scratch with all the in-house banking and climate tech to support it, got 30,000 people on our waiting list, and already have an active base of early customers.
But this is just the beginning for Tread. We believe that managing your money sustainably should be the norm for everyone in the UK, not a paid add-on or an afterthought. There is already huge demand. Over half of the people in the UK are saying they would switch to a greener debit card. So we want to grow fast. It's not just about the business opportunity. We know that we only have a short time to act on climate change before it's too late. That's why we're raising investment, to help supercharge our growth. This round will help us bring Tread to more customers, help improve the accuracy of our carbon tracking technology, and bring even more brilliant banking features to the app.
Last time we hit our goal in 90 minutes, and some of our first investors are our earliest customers. We hope this time even more of you will take the chance to join the Tread community.
We want to change how the system works.
To build a neobank that truly cares about the planet and actually does things differently, not just talk about it.
If you want to be part of that change, then join us and invest in Tread today.